All right, number 9, we want to use limits to find the to find the derivative of f, and then we're going to evaluate f of a for the given value of a, which is negative 1/3. So I'm going to start with the limit as h goes to 0, and this is f x plus h minus f of x over h. F of x is given to be 5 divided by x plus 1. So we're going to plug in x plus h for x. So we have a 5 divided by, and then we'll have x plus h, and then plus 1 in place of my x, and then minus 5 divided by x plus 1, and this is all over h. Alright, so anytime I have this fraction within a fraction scenario, I multiply numerator and denominator by the common denominator of what's going on. So it'll be the x plus h plus 1 and the x plus 1. So going to my next step, I'm going to be multiplying by, and I could just put it all together, x plus h plus 1, and then x plus 1. That's going to be multiplied on the top and the bottom. Okay. When we multiply through on the top, the x plus h plus 1 cancels out the denominator, leaving me with 5 times x plus 1. And then minus, when I multiply this whole thing times this one, the x plus 1 cancels, and then we have the minus 5 times the x plus h plus 1. And then on the bottom we just have the whole expression. Okay, so now we'll start to distribute and cancel out. So give me a 5x plus 5 minus 5x minus 5h minus 5. And on the bottom, I'm just going to write quotation marks for a ditto. And then the 5x will cancel with the negative 5x. Positive 5 will cancel with the negative 5, leaving me with the negative 5h. So we'll have our h, x plus h plus 1, x plus 1. And then the negative 5h, so we can factor out an h, and at that point I can now plug in 0 for h using direct substitution. So when we plug in 0, this term just cancels out, leaving me with x plus 1 and x plus 1. So our final answer will be a negative 5 divided by x plus 1 quantity squared. So this will be our derivative. Plug in negative 5. And then we want to find the derivative evaluated at negative 1/3. So if we do f prime of negative 1/3, negative 5, negative 1/3. So negative 1/3 and 1, that will give us a positive 2/3. And when we square that, so we'll have a negative 5 over 2/3 squared. That'll give us a negative 5 over 4 divided by 9, and when we keep change flip, negative 5 times 9 over 4, that'll give us a negative 45 divided by 4. I'm trying to squeeze all that in there.